Hi, I'm Nancy, pampered with diamonds with birthday celebration. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Yes, it's my birthday month. Is it yours? It's Patty's Love My Family. Yes, it is. And who else will I be mentioning as the weeks go on? Woo, woo, woo. How do you participate? You're in the right spot. So let's get to it. It's my birthday month. Yes, it is. We are going to discuss my birthday celebration plus a few others for March. So March is Planes, Trains, and Automobiles, hosted by Neil. He is the husband of Wendy of Diamonds and Stuff. You do have to email Neil. The info's in their video. It's Neil something. I have the paper. But it's better you go on their video because he gives you all the information you need to send what he is requiring you to send to participate in Planes, Trains, and Automobiles. And you do have to have a canvas with a plane, a train, or an automobile in it. So be sure to watch her video because it's on her channel, Diamonds and Stuff. But he does talk about the event in the video. Also, we have me, and we also have a covered bridge event with Ladybug24 DP Moore. It's a Chuck Pinson. So I'm not sure if she's running the event or if she's just doing the covered bridge for the Chuck Pinson event that Mindy's Diamond Moment is doing for March. Now that's a pretty big event. So check out Diamonds, Moments, and Crafts on Facebook. Also, that is Mindy's Facebook page for information on that. Now the big hubbub for March is the Mini DP Madness event. Who isn't participating in that event? I mean, everybody, I think, is participating. You only need 6 mini canvases done, the mini dazzles, mini pretty gems, the mini ones from Dreamer Design, mini from Diamond Art Club. There's mini from Michael's Make Market. All of those qualify for the Mini DP Madness. Go check out the intro video for the Mini DP Madness intro. The intro is very funny. You should go check it out. But we're here for Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0. That's a Facebook group. Make sure you are following us on that group. So I'm going to kit up my... Oh, I also wanted to tell you about Diamonds by Tita. Her March event is Bloom, Butterflies, and Bunnies. Hers are paint-alongs. And Starlight, Starbright 70, for March, she's doing gnomes. April, Easter. May the force be with you. But it's not what you think. It's working your stash. Having the force, the willpower to get your current collection stash down. May the force be with you in May. So that's those. They had asked me to shoot those out real quick, and I have. And don't forget about Vona's Crafty Designs. Apparently she's doing the, I can't find the intro video. I'm so sorry, Vona. But she's doing villages. It's amazing. I'm seeing them pop up on her Facebook group. People are doing awesome images. So you can do like a bookshop, a barber shop. But if you go on her channel, she does talk about it in quite a few videos. So go look at Vona's Crafty Designs. Who else? There's Get Your Weird On. That does require a Google form. With Crafts with Crashly. It's a Facebook group. And DP Addiction Adventures. She's really cool to watch. Go check her out too. And Kathy's Diamond Delights and Hauls. Oh no, that was February. So yeah, check those guys out. And my event. This is the official rules for my event. Okay? My event. I've eliminated the keyword. There is no keyword. Okay? You just have to send me a progress pic on Facebook weekly, and I will put up a post that says week 1 progress post under here on Facebook. You only have to email me your picture. Put your name on a piece of paper on the canvas, or write your name on the canvas. I've seen Matt do this. You probably all know who Matt is. Put your name on it to prevent anything bad from happening. Put your canvas on the floor, take a picture of it, make sure your name is somewhere on that canvas, and email it to me, pamperedwithdiamonds@gmail.com. No start, no finish. You just need a progress pic, email to me, and then after that, they're all going to be in the Facebook group. Okay? They'll all be in the Facebook group. Do what you want. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. You can color. You can do a puzzle. You can do a cross stitch. You can sew. You can write a story. What else? Paint by number. You can do those plush crafts that I did with the unicorn. You can do that. You can do minis. You can do table toppers. You can bake cookies. Send me one. Ooh, ooh. What else? Puzzles. Did I say that? You can do a few Mad Libs. Do you need a few Mad Libs? Let me know. I'll send you some. I've got some Mad Libs. Let me know. Let me know. All right. I am going to start kitting up. Oh, I have sponsors. Creations Moran is going to be sponsoring our event. Yes, yes, yes. We Wax Crafts, Anxiety Art Adventure. Check out Laura. She's going to be sponsoring our events. True Vampire Crafts. Go check out True Vampire Crafts. She's going to be sponsoring our events. She makes the coolest trays as well as Creations Moran. They both make really good trays. So, okay. Here's Creations Moran's info. Whoops. Okay. Here is True Vampire Crafts info. And then we have, where's We Wax? We Wax, where are you? There you are. And there's We Wax. Check out these sponsors. They are awesome. And they're giving us awesome prizes, guys. So make sure you keep up with the Facebook group. And if you don't have Facebook, keep up with my YouTube. Yeah. All right. I am going to start kitting this up. If you have any questions, just shoot me an email. Ask away. Okay, so I am doing my cupcake, and this is a Target canvas. Let me show you what it looks like. It is my birthday cake. And let me show you this canvas. I mean, it's gonna lay, look, it's laying flat, lickety split. And I just unrolled it, okay? And it's a partial. You don't diamond paint here. Sticky, not sticky. So that is my cake. I'm making my own cake, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, A, C, D, F. It has 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 colors. Yes, it does. All right, so that is the canvas. And here are the colors. Ooh, look at this. It's got special drills. So I am using my Lazy Susan by Carissa's Craft Corner to kit up this kit. Okay. So if you don't have a Facebook, email me your info, your start picture, and you will be good to go. All right, so let's get going. 1. I love these little trays. Now this is not good for travel, so this doesn't travel very well. So I've eliminated the keyword, but you will have to email me your start picture with your name on it. I'd like to know how I'm gonna, it's gonna be tight. We'll see. We will see. So each one of these trays has a label on it. I will show you on the next one because I didn't show you. They already have a label, so I know. And that is the number on the canvas. That's the symbol. They have numbers. Yeah, I think the keyword was going to get too difficult because we're running from Facebook and YouTube, so I think we're just going to do email and Facebook. So, because Diamond Painting with Friends is primarily a Facebook group, so that's what we're going to do. Yep, and then everybody will just put progress pictures in there. Yep, just give me your progress pics. And I will shout out birthdays. So send me your birthdays. Send me your birthdays. So let me show you on this canvas. Really clear. I mean, I can see these no problem. It's just the lighting in here. These are all D's. And then look at that. This is a Target canvas, the store Target. So this, it's beautiful. This should probably not going to take me long to do at all. Maybe 2 lives, 3, longer than that. I'll probably do this one once a week for the whole month of March on my lives. Yeah, that's what I think I'll do. And here is the color grid right up here. Although it doesn't really, this doesn't really do anything for me because it's essentially the same as looking here, seeing 6. I need 6. Go to my Lazy Susan, find 6, and put the 6s. So that's what I'm going to do. And I might use some letters to write happy birthday. Happy birthday down here. What do you think? I might do that. I have to see if I have enough letters to do that. So that is what I'm going to do. So because Diamond Painting with Friends 2.0 is primarily a Facebook group. So we are primarily going to be posting on Facebook, or you can email me. So if you don't have a Facebook, email me and I will post your picture on the Facebook group. That will be the least confusing, and then I won't be leaving anybody out. So make sure you email me if you don't have Facebook. So trying to do this smarter, not harder, guys. All right, that's what I have for you today, and I hope to see you all participating in my birthday. I'm Pampered with Diamonds. This is a thumbs up event, and be kind.